Cheryl here from ENJO. Just a quick video to show you how easy it is to clean the children's outdoor toys using ENJO. So I've got Daisy's seesaw here. It's pretty dirty, it's been out in the garden, and I've just got my garage glove. It's one of her fibres from our outdoor range, and just with cold water, just going to give it a quick clean. As you can see, lifting all that muck and everything. I live next to a whiskey distillery, so everything gets pretty dirty. This is a great way to help and teach children how to clean their own toys and their shoes and things, because that cracking fibre actually comes in a wee kid size as well, so it's a really good way to get them involved. I'm just going to give it a wee dry off as always with the ENJO fill to lift all that excess dirty water and just make it shine. It's as easy as that.